Nice, I love it, guys. So basically, if you're at home and you have certain kind of recipe like this, a mixed fruits. This is the frozen one from the freezer. You know what I mean? So watch out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's roughly about 5 tablespoons of the red frozen fruits, which I have left back in my cupboard. I want to use them up, you know. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of honey in my freezer. I want to use them up. Here about cupboard. Now we're gonna put roughly about a handful of spinach inside of it. That's gonna make the difference. All right. What you can also do, guys, to be honest, and you know, Chef Ricardo always try to create ideas to share with you at home. You know what I mean? So I have one pear, which I want to use inside of it. You know what I mean? That's gonna bring in a lovely. That's gonna be using roughly about half of it. You can put rest of ingredients if you like, but I'm just keeping it really simple and unique like this. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients in it, and the water gonna make 5 ingredients. Alright, so we're gonna put roughly about half cups of water. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna simple blend it up. You know what I mean? Lovely and nice, very quick and simple. So if you wake up early in the morning and you want to do something lovely like this, you know what I mean, sometimes you wake up when the time is really warm and you just feel like it's something totally different. Well, this come in handy for you guys to make at home. All right, let's share it up. All right, it's an amazing recipe, nice and lovely. So this is only as I said, 5 ingredients, but it is amazing, guys. Look at this. So basically, if you're out in the back garden or somewhere, you know what I mean, this is just a drink which you can also have at home. So please enjoy and subscribe to the YouTube channel.